to the coronavirus mutation, many questions have been arise, like what's mutation? How does a mutation cause a change in an organism? DNA and RNA both are the nucleic acid which contains specific genetic sequences which provides different characters like hair color, skin color, height, and many more. The genetic sequence present in the nucleic acid produces a particular type of protein which produces a particular type of character. If there is a change in the genetic sequence, there will be a change in the protein which produces a different type of character. This is called as mutation. Mutation is a change in the genetic sequence. Mutation can be helpful sometimes as it leads to evolution. Mutation can occur naturally and it also can be induced by different factors like sunrays, chemicals and many more. Some mutation can also be dangerous. How is the virus mutated? Like different other organisms, the virus is not considered as a living thing. The virus cannot reproduce until and unless it enters a living cell. The virus uses the host cell for its reproduction. Viruses are very small. Their diameter is around 5 nanometer to 300 nanometer. They are smaller than a bacteria. Some of the virus can also attack a bacteria. Now let's understand the structure of the virus. It contains a membrane, a protein envelope, a nucleocapsid, and a viral genome which can be either RNA or DNA. A complete infectious virus is called as a virion. Like a typical virus, the coronavirus also contains spike proteins, membrane, and a viral genome made up of RNA. There are different ways through which the virus can enter the human body. It can enter through the eyes, through the mouth, through the nose, and even through the direct contact. After the virus enters the human body, now it's going to enter the human cell. The human cell contains specific receptors on their surface. The virus attaches to the specific receptors with the help of the protein present in the outer envelope. After the attachment of the viral protein with the cellular receptor, there is a fusion of the viral and the cellular membrane, leading to the entry of the virus inside the cell. The viral genome enters the cytoplasm of the cell and it fuses with the DNA of the cell. This is one of the methods of the entry of the viral genome inside the cell. Another method is by simply attaching of the virus to the cellular surface and just injecting its genome inside the cell. The coronavirus follows the first method of the entry inside the cell. Once the viral genome fuses with the DNA of the host cell, it uses the machinery of the host cell and replicates to produce many viral genomes, which produces new viral particles. These viral particles are released into the surrounding to attack to other cells. Mutation in the RNA of the coronavirus has led changes in the spike protein. The number of spike protein has increased. This spike protein helps in the attachment of the virus to the host cell. Due to this mutation, the mutated coronavirus is far more likely to cause an infection. So guys, this was about what is mutation and how mutation has caused changes in the coronavirus. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.